Hello, this is Emily coming at you from PG Ford, and today we are looking at the 2023 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this iconic silver, this vehicle is powered by a 5-liter V8 engine and has 4-wheel drive capabilities. This vehicle is equipped with the XLT Black Appearance Package, as well as the XLT Sports Package, and that nice trailer tow package. Taking a look at the wheels here, we do have 20-inch gloss black aluminum wheels, which provides a nice sleek look to the vehicle. Taking a look at the back, we also do have rear view sensing, as well as that nice dual exhaust right there. A nice backup camera. Moving to the sides, we do have mud flaps on both rear and front tires, as well as a nice gripped running board, so the likelihood of you slipping is very slim. Moving to the front now, we can see we do have those nice two trailer tow hooks, oh my, and that license plate bracket. We do have a front view camera and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably, and we have this nice black leathering with some light gray stitching on the seats. We have 2 cup holders right there, a 12-volt outlet right there, a USB and a USB, and a 120-volt outlet right there. Moving to the side, we have plenty of storage space on the door, which is pretty nice. Looking at the driver's side now, we can see that we do have powered seats, as well as the same black and gray stitching leathered we saw on the back there. We do have our parking brake right there, our pedals adjusters, as well as our 2 blind spot detections and our tailgate opener right there. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's on, we can see the odometer is sitting at 18.1 kilometers. Now moving to the side here, we have our toggle for our main screen up there, our phone and station controls, as well as our volume and voice controls, plus our cruise control right there. Now looking at our main menu, we have My View, Trip and Fuel, Truck Info, Towing, Navigation, Phone, Audio, and other settings. Moving to the right of me, we have our lovely gear shift, which is collapsible, which provides you extra space. You have a nice little phone slot here, 2 cup holders, a nice little cubby for storage, a USB-C and a USB. You also have your 4-wheel drive capabilities, plus your drive mode right there, trailer disconnect, and Pro Trailer Assist. Looking at our drive modes, we do have normal, slippery, deep snow and sand, as well as mud and ruts. Come on. Oh, too far. Plus tow and haul, eco, and sport. Looking over here, we do have dual climate, so no need to fight over the temperature. You have heated seats, as well as your volume controls right there, another 12-volt outlet, and a 120-volt outlet right there. You have your auto stop and auto start, your 360 view of the vehicle, hazards, and your traction control. Looking here, you have your audio settings right there, your phone settings, navigation so you don't get lost, your fave apps such as messaging, email, Wi-Fi hotspot, apps such as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, or any other apps you may have downloaded, settings such as radio, navigation, connectivity, vehicle hotspot, and so on and so forth, vehicle features such as driving assist, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. You do have a nice little button over here that opens up there for some extra storage. Looking above my head, we also have a rear window opener, which you can see there, which is pretty handy. And looking down here, you do have a fair bit of center console storage, which this being able to be moved or removed if necessary. And you also have another USB and a USB-C down there. The stock number for this vehicle is FC92182, and if interested, head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.